Okay, so for today, a very short unboxing of another GoPro accessory. This is the GoPro 3-Way 2.0 tripod grip slash arm. Got this from the GoPro website as part of a subscription deal, so we'll go and take a look. So obviously I won't be able to show you with it mounted because I'm filming on the actual GoPro itself, but it's pretty self-explanatory. 3-Way 2.0 is 3 essential mounts in one: ergonomic camera grip that transforms into a tripod, plus an extension arm for selfies and follow shots. A built-in ball joint even lets you tilt the camera or swivel it 360 degrees. Wrist strap, swivel base, and 3-Way 2.0 inside. So this is the second generation of the 3-Way product. So it doesn't look like there's a quick way in. Oh yeah, there we go. Peel the tab. That is a very good way to get in. So pretty straightforward packaging. I think there's a little lifetime warranty slip. And we've got the actual unit itself. Pretty chunky grip. Sorry, I should say. Looks like the lanyard's getting caught up. So yep, that's pretty much it. So we have the 360 swivel mount with a quick lock mechanism, which is pretty good. Let's put that to the side. And the GoPro will clip in there, so it's not your standard 3-finger mount. You'll have to use a adapter, which GoPro usually includes plenty of. I've got about 20 of these lying around, so very common. I'll probably take the lanyard off, not really someone who goes into the surf and whatnot, worried about losing it. So that's how it extends. Pocket knife for scale. So that's how long it is. So it should be pretty good, should be pretty fun to try out. And then you can actually open up the fingers on the bottom. There is a button for it. There we go. 1, 2, and 3. And then you have a bit of a vertical tripod mount. So planning to use this for some star lapses, I think, or night lapses rather. So we'll stick that up on the top end of the tripod and point it at the sky. So we'll leave it at that for the GoPro 3-Way 2.0 unboxing.